Okay, JB, how are we doing? What time is it? Anybody got to watch? Huh? Perfect. It's 6:20? Good stuff. Everybody's having a good time. Now I'll play a couple songs about potatoes. Now, if you guys want to go on to bandcamp.com, that's rootshot.bandcamp.com, you can buy all my albums for free, including this new one called Magic Potato Carpet, which involves a lot of mystical songs about potatoes, and some songs about positive thinking, about as when you wake up and you declare that it's going to be a great day like this. I'll show you. I made it into a song. Oh, and this is called Perpetual Down Bounce. You only go down, and it just goes. Today will be a great day. All the people on the moon say that guy's really doing something. We can see it from the moon. It looks like a rainbow spark lighting up the sky in the dark. Like I said, we can see it from the moon. He'll be landing here soon. And I'll fly out to Mars. I'll make many Martian friends. I'll bring snacks and songs for them. Then they'll play their Mars guitars faster than you could dream of. Positive thinking, good times. Very wonderful, very nice, very fluffy, and oh yeah, here's the potatoes. It's called Dumbstruck in Potatoes. Dumbstruck in potatoes, bouncing Luego, we will follow, follow. Dumbstruck in potatoes, bouncing Luego, we will follow, follow. Cause it knocks on, do my day, rock a day, for my day, drink your day, for song, my day, song. Cause it knocks on, do my day, rock a day, for my day, drink your day, for song, my song. Cause it knocks on, do my day, rock a day, for my day, drink your day, for song, my day, song. Cause it knocks on, do my day, rock a day, for my day, drink your day, for song, my song. Now think of all these triplet notes as being individual potatoes of music. A barrage of potatoes. Have you guys ever had Norwegian potato massage? Oh, it's so good. This woman stands there looking really Norwegian and just throws potatoes at your back. And they give you a jock strap and a cup. Dumbstruck in potatoes, bouncing Luego, wheel of all of the Dumpstruck and potatoes, bouncing Louisville, feel the ball, shaballa. There's a duck song to my day, rock a day, my day, cuckoo falls on my day song. There's a duck song to my day, rock a day, my day, cuckoo falls on and on. There's a duck song to my day, rock a day, my day, cuckoo falls on my day song. There's a duck song to my day, rock a day, my day, cuckoo falls on and on. And now, my very last song about potatoes, and in 5, everybody having a good time here. High five. High five. Very good, liking it a lot. Liking you guys, liking what happened here today. Who's coming to see Tornado Rider at 11 o'clock? One last supernatural infernal rage against the forces of darkness, which don't exist. Put peanut butter with something that doesn't exist. Good, another snack for you guys in Florida. You get all on your whatever, and you're like, I'm hungry. I put peanut butter with something that doesn't exist. Okay, here we go. Just like a fluffy spaceman ride upon a pile of hash browns, magic carpet in the brown town fiddling off. Small tip of reggae rock gets got potato in the docket, keep another in your pocket, we're gonna play now. Put him into the fast straight, he's the one over his last truck, take him on another dope taste, put the mountains down, flying enemy bikinis, harder than a Lamborghini, time to take another move with the board forward door. That's called the freeze bounce. Come get a bunch of chicken plates, come get a bunch of jump days, come get another place, come get the gal. Never get never not days, never get never not days, never get never not days, never get the gal. Just like a fluffy spaceman, ride upon a pile of hash browns, magic carpet in the brown town fiddling on. Mama tip a reggae rocket, stuff potato in the docket, keep another in your pocket for they play now. When you reach your Ryan's nexus, ports makes a hearty breakfast, cross another off the checklist, space O's. Fetch king of a bobner, take it to the Guppy Gopner, and the corn of the Gopner, 9 miles high. Get a bunch of different plays, get a bunch of dump days, get a bunch of plays, get the cow. Never get a not days, never get a not days, never get a one days, never get the cow. Just like a fluffy spaceman, ride upon a ball of hash browns, magic carpet in the brown town fiddling on. Mama temper reggae rockets, got potato in the docket, keep another in your pocket for they play now. Hey, gonna get weird. There are locks in the mysteries, there are boxes in the mistakes, overlocks in the good ways, if it needs a bus. Touch upon the bird Quakos, in the battle in uranios, that's how aliens and Quakos being not from Earth. Potatoes are portals, potatoes are portals, Potatoes should be called potatoes. Potatoes are portals. Potatoes are portals. Potatoes should be called potatoes. You want to try it? Potatoes are portals. Potatoes are portals. Potatoes should be called potatoes. Potatoes are portals. Potatoes are portals. Potatoes should be called potatoes. Drinking the rainbow starlight forever. Meeting the cosmic bunny in Egypt, holding its hand and bouncing to Neptune. I'm going to try to take a guitar solo over this for no really good reason. Too loud. I don't like that distorted guitar sound. I mean, I'm not trying to do like in memory of Elizabeth Reed here, okay? Play jazz. Yeah. Tasteful fade out. Wait, so let me make a loop, and then I'll do a tasteful fade out. chips, do what they did with potato chips. The ancient days of Egypt, potato had what they knew about what they did about potato. Yeah. Reluctance to ever end the show. Reluctance to ever end. Tasteful fade out. So tasteful. So tasteful. Yeah, Bardock Magnus. Yeah, you can watch it. You saw it coming down. Woohoo! Thank you very much. All the love, all the wonder, all the delight for you, the Florida people who have always supported for years and years. Since 2002, when I had a shaved head and a bandana, and me and JB played hacky sack with Josh Pinkham, famously backstage in the jam with Vassar Clements and Mike Marshall. Some good times been had here. I even got to jam with Tony Rice. Good times, you know, and that was when I played bluegrass, and I was a nice guy. That was before I became weird, but it can happen. You can become weird too. You guys think you're all normal, your parents are proud of you? Yeah, good girl. That's our daughter. We're so proud of her. Then, whoops, took a left. Became somebody like me. But you can take a left and still be very happy. You can take a left like me and end up drinking your pee every night. Okay. Is it my time to start? And we just give me 10 minutes to dance. Very good. Very nice to meet you. Yeah, on the program it said I was Crucificus, and that has, you know, slightly more of like a Muslim Greek overtone, which is all good. It's just that, you know, that's not really my ancestry is more of the Muslim team and whooped their ass and caused my mom to years ago. The video where they did that tape said, oh, real cool. And the Persian guy was like, let's do something easy. And he takes it to me and he pours the sugar in there and he's like, you're not going to put my stuff in no sweet. Don't touch my baby, and you practice your own religion and don't spread it. And yes, you know how fun it is. Very nice, very lucky, very wild, doing pretty good over there. It's my cello, El Cello Cocker, El Cello Cocker, and feel welcome. Hey, we'll do a real quick round of my own language rap. Now let me show you what happens here. It's the workshop stage, so I might as well keep it into my private bowing office. So now it becomes public. This is the bow, and most people are sitting there slaving away without the technology doing 20 notes per bow. All day long we go toiling. You can build that faster, but what happens if you check? There's the B minor.
You almost touched me.
Go.